Precisely so. Tell them, pound for pound, oh welcome to the United States, Nana Pia. For the records, for the people, precisely so. Tell them, who speaks the truth, for the records, who fights for Ghana, for the people. For the records is where truth is fired like a straight shot, not left, not right, for the people, for Ghana. We will not be silenced, cancelled or erased. We are the reckoning.